Question 8 is, in YDSC, ratio of amplitude of wave is 1 is to 3. The ratio of Imax is to Imin is, okay. So here question is talking about YDSC. YDSC is Young's double slit experiment. Okay. So in this question we are given amplitude of a wave. Okay. So it is in the ratio 1 is to 3. Okay. So ratio of amplitude of wave is 1 is to 3, and we have to find the ratio of I max is to I min. So let's move on to the solution. Okay, so there is a very simple and easy formula for this. Formula is I max is a1 plus 3a1. Okay, so here 3a1 is because in the question it is given that ratio is 1 is to 3, and for calculating I min, formula is a1 minus 3a1. Okay, so 3a1 is that ratio, it is due to that ratio 1 is to 3, okay, and whole square. So if we divide these both terms, because we have to find the ratio of I max is to I min, so that's why we have to divide these terms. So a1 plus 3a1 is 4a1, and in denominator it is 2a1 or a minus 3, okay, and square. Okay, so after solving it we will get 4 is to 1. Thank you.